Okay, well, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you very much for the introduction and the chance to delivering some research which I did about students with special needs. Okay, talking about students with special needs, absolutely we know that they are different with normal students. We teach them, it will be so different. We have to give them special treatment, not like treatment we give to the normal student, because we know each and every special need child is an individual, so our teaching style will be dictated by the unique challenge each child faces. And so to help our succeed in teaching special needs students in general, however, we should consider the following 5 teaching tips which I have found from my research before. For the first, we should keep our classroom organized. It means structure is very important for special needs students, and it can be very helpful for us as a special education teacher, whether we have one student to keep track of or 20 or more. Sticking to a daily routine as much as possible will help both we and our students. Keeping our classroom organized will also help to minimize stress and distractions. The second tip is remember that every single child, every single student is an individual. Every special needs student is unique. So try to get to know our students as individual instead of identifying them by their diagnosis. As a special education teacher, we may be responsible for developing not only the teacher requirement, but they can be helpful too for us and to the parents to come together to plan that works for everyone. Okay, for the next tips is we should give our students opportunities for success. Maintaining a positive outlook is incredibly important in a field as challenging as special education. Some days will be harder than others, and some students will progress more slowly than others. Encourage our students to work hard and to improve by offering opportunities for small successes and then celebrate those successes. You have to celebrate every single success they get. And the last, create a support network as a special education teacher. We will need to be able to work with our students, general education teachers, as well as his therapists and parents. So we couldn't treat ourselves just as their teacher, but also as their students. But also as their parents and their therapists. And for the very last, keep everything simple. When it comes to teaching special needs students, it is important to break down tasks into small, manageable steps. We should also keep projects short and sweet. The more complicated we make things, the more likely our students are to become confused or frustrated. That adds to the challenge we are already facing. And the conclusion about this topic is we need to give special treatment, not like our treatment we give to the normal students. We need to treat more special. We need to treat more. We need to give more attention to the special needs student. Thank you very much. That's all from me. And wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.